In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on microphone icon at the bottom left corner. If you can't see it, select this gear at the top of it. Scroll down and tap on voice input. Now tap on the best one for you, Samsung or Google one. They work pretty much the same. When you finished, go back. Click on No Visible Microphone at the bottom left corner and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. To stop, click on this big button with a microphone. To start again, click on the same one. If you wish to go back to your standard keyboard, tap on this arrow at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!